What's up, everybody? Hope everyone is doing well. This is a look at my Limitless V2 drag car. Yes, my Limitless V2 drag car. This car is built around a Tsg Carbon Works Black Hawk conversion kit. I just want to give you some small details of what I've actually did to this drag car. Now, one of the things that I can tell you that I did, I added a center brace. I added the center brace. I replaced the one that would actually normally be with this particular Limitless. So I added a center brace that has the capability of being able to add an ESC too. Now the ESC that this is designed for is designed to work with the XLX2 ESC, which is a Castle ESC. Now I'm not running that ESC right now on here, but what I am running on here is the Mamba X. So I put that on there, and I had enough space to also add the GNSS Performance Analyzer. Now this drag car is running the 1717 1650 kV motor as well. So, and as you notice, I also added a wheelie bar to it. It comes with a wheelie bar, of course, and I didn't do it for any other reason. It was just shorter. Now, these are just some test foam tires that I'm running on. I doubt if I'll be running those foam tires, but I can't really say yet about that. I didn't have a whole lot to say about this drag car. Oh, also I gotta let you know that I'm running a G2 Racing Gyro is on this car. Forgot to put that in there, the G2 Racing Gyro. Well, anyway, thank you for tuning in. Like always, be sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when another video is coming out. Also, like and subscribe. Your likes means a lot. It helps the channel. And also, if you haven't did so, subscribe to the channel. And hit that notification bell so y'all be notified when more videos are coming out. And like I always say, enjoy what you're doing and try to help somebody else. This is a great country we live in. We must all get along. So whatever you do, enjoy what you are doing. May God bless you. God bless America. Peace. And I'm out of here.